Welcome back to Information House. In today's video, we're diving into the best smart electric pressure cookers of 2025. If you're looking for a smarter, faster, and more efficient way to cook delicious meals at home, you're in the right place. We'll be reviewing the top models that stand out this year, covering their smart features, ease of use, and value for money, so you can pick the perfect one for your kitchen. And don't worry, I've added all the product links down below in the description so you can check them after the video. Let's get started. 5. Comfy 9-in-1. The Comfy 9-in-1 multi-pressure cooker is designed to be your all-in-one kitchen companion, replacing multiple appliances by working as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, cake maker, egg maker, and food warmer. With 14 programmable preset functions, it allows you to prepare a wide variety of gourmet dishes, such as meat, broth, beans, oatmeal, and more with just a few simple steps. Safety is a top priority. This cooker is equipped with 10 professional safety features, including overheat protection, automatic pressure release, and a secure lid locking system, ensuring peace of mind while cooking. Its 24-hour intelligent delay timer lets you schedule meals in advance so you can enjoy freshly cooked food anytime you want. To make cooking even more convenient, the package includes 6 useful accessories: a spoon, ladle, condensation cup, measuring cup, steam rack, and power cord, providing everything you need for a seamless cooking experience. 4. Cosori CMC CO601 SUS. Experience ultimate versatility with this 9-in-1 multifunctional pressure cooker, combining the power to pressure cook rice, steam, sterilize, oatmeal porridge, stew broth, bean grain, meat poultry, slow cook, sauté, ferment, sous vide, and keep warm, all in one appliance. Designed with a safer venting system, the seal vent button is positioned away from the steam release valve, and the 30-degree backward-angled release ensures safer, easier steam handling. Cleanup is effortless with its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel housing, a widened 0.5-inch pot gap, and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. The easy lid locking system allows you to align and twist with confidence, while 12 advanced safety features, including a double-layer anti-scalding lid and overheat protection, guarantee worry-free cooking. A real-time progress bar keeps you updated at a glance, and the high-quality aluminum pot with a BPA-free ceramic nonstick coating ensures healthy cooking with durability. Plus, the anti-spin inner pot design keeps it steady for stirring and sautéing. To inspire your meals, enjoy the included recipe book and access even more creative dishes on the free VSync app. 3. Presto 01784. This full-sized induction-compatible pressure canner is the ultimate tool for safe and versatile home canning. Designed to work seamlessly on induction, gas, electric, and smooth-top stoves, it meets USDA standards for preserving vegetables, meats, poultry, and seafood, ensuring confidence in every batch. With dual functionality, it also serves as a boiling water canner, perfect for fruits, jams, jellies, pickles, and salsa. Built with heavy-gauge aluminum and a stainless steel-clad base, it delivers fast, even heating, and long-lasting durability, backed by a 12-year limited warranty. Advanced safety features, including an air vent and cover lock system, provide secure operation by preventing pressure buildup until properly sealed and ensuring safe release before opening. With its large capacity, fitting up to 7 quarts, 20 pints, or 26 half pints of mason jars, it's ideal for big canning projects while doubling as a convenient pressure cooker for everyday meals. 2. Instant Pot 113-004401. This all-in-one smart pressure cooker is designed to make mealtime effortless and versatile, with 10 cooking functions including pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, sauté, sterilize, cook yogurt and rice, bake, steam, or simply keep warm. With 28 customizable smart programs, you can prepare all your favorite recipes at the touch of a button. It delivers good food done faster, preheating 20% quicker and cooking up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking methods. The gentle steam release switch with a diffusing cover ensures safe, quiet steam release every time, while the 8-quart family-size capacity is perfect for feeding up to 8 people, meal prepping, or batch cooking. Cleanup is just as easy, thanks to the dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot. Built with 1,400 watts of power and certified to UL and ULC standards, it's equipped with multiple safety features including overheat protection, an auto-sealing lid lock, and easy grip pot handles for peace of mind. To top it off, it comes with an extra sealing ring and a stainless steel steamer with handles, giving you everything you need to cook smarter, safer, and faster. 1. Instant Pot 3QT Duo. This all-in-one appliance brings convenience and versatility to your kitchen with 7 cooking functions, letting you pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, make rice, prepare yogurt, or simply keep meals warm. Despite its compact 3-quart capacity, it packs plenty of power, offering 11 one-touch smart programs that handle everything from hearty soups to decadent cakes, perfect for small households or side dishes. Designed to save time, it cooks meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods, while the stainless steel 18/8 tri-ply bottom pot ensures pro-grade searing and sautéing. Cleanup is a breeze with a dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot, so you can spend more time enjoying your food. With 700 watts of performance, UL and ULC certifications, and over 10 built-in safety mechanisms like overheat protection and an easy seal safety lid, you'll cook with confidence. As a bonus, a stainless steel steamer rack is included, making it easier than ever to prepare delicious, healthy meals. And that wraps up our roundup of the best smart electric pressure cookers of 2025. Whether you're looking for quick weeknight meals, energy-efficient cooking, or the latest smart kitchen features, one of these cookers is sure to fit your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future reviews. You'll find all the product links mentioned in this video conveniently listed down in the description box below. So make sure to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.